How to tag someone in WhatsApp group. So when you're on a group on WhatsApp, all you're going to need to do in the chat function is press the @ button, and then you can go ahead and type in the person's name. So you can see here, all you're going to have to do is go to the chat function. You can also type in @all. So that means it's going to tag everyone who is in the group chat. Or you can just type in individual names. Then what you'll see is it will pop up. Then you can click add, and then that will also add them to the chat if they're not already in the chat. But if they are in the chat, then all you'll have to do is type in @ the person's name, type the message, and it will be sent to them, but also everyone else in the chat as well. So if you do want to message something private, make sure you private message them. But if it's everyone in the chat is meant to see it, then you can type the message, type @ the person. You can do it for multiple people. But that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.